Hello Dan, it's Rob here at Vos Motors taking this video especially for you of this 2014 Yamaha Bolt, which has 14,000 kilometers on it and the price is $72.88. The motorcycle has a lot of upgrades on it. These are the signal lights here. The mirrors are they upgraded as well. It comes with a very nice Vance & Hines exhaust. The saddlebags, these are Star saddlebags. These are leather, but kind of hard bags. There's tail signal lights in it too. So you were asking me if I had any black ones, but I don't have. The only painted part on it is a tank, which can be either repainted or plastic dipped or wrapped in black, so the bike will be black. This is an R model, which has upgraded suspension as well with the piggybacks. And this motorcycle is fully certified and serviced as well, so the bike is ready to go. If you have any question regarding this motorcycle, please call me back at 905-660-2901. My extension is 212 and I'll be more than happy to assist you. Thank you.